Well, isn't this just perfect? Stuck in the middle of nowhere with you, of all people. Oh, I'm the unbearable one? Remind me who thought it'd be a brilliant idea to march straight into a snowstorm with no backup plan. Excuse me? Who decided to take the shortcut through the woods instead of staying on the main trail, Ugh, don't even start. If you'd listened to me back there, we wouldn't be in this mess. Right. Because clearly everything is always my fault. But no, you always have to prove you're the smartest one in the room. Great, just great. Stuck in a blizzard, no signal, barely any firewood, and you're the one I'm stuck with. It's like the universe is punishing me. Oh, don't worry. I am fully aware this is mutual torture. Trust me, I'd rather be anywhere else right now. Yeah, I can see that. Thanks for the helpful observation, Captain Obvious. There. Happy now? At least we won't freeze to death in the next hour. Was that a sneeze? You sure? You sound like a leaky faucet. Oh yeah, totally fine. Just a casual blizzard, no big deal. You're probably just allergic to your own terrible decisions. Ugh, for crying out loud. Don't be stubborn. Here, blanket. Take it before you keel over or something. Don't look at me like that. Just take it. You'll get hypothermia if you don't. And believe it or not, I don't feel like dragging your frozen body out of here when the storm clears. Just so you know, I'm not doing this out of the kindness of my heart, okay? If you get sick, that's my problem too. And I don't need you dragging me down. Wow, I thank you. Don't strain yourself. I know that must have been painful to say. Oh, don't pretend like you don't enjoy this little back and forth we've got going on. Admit it. You'd be bored out of your mind if I weren't here. Yeah, sure. Keep telling yourself that. Great. Just great. You're actually sick, aren't you? Actually sick. Alright? Uh-huh. Tell that to your Rudolph nose. Alright. Fine. Sit down by the fire. I'll figure something out. Just do it, okay? You're shivering like a damn leaf, and I'm not about to let you freeze to death. Here. Drink this. It's not gourmet or anything, but it'll keep you from turning into a popsicle. What? Don't get any ideas. I'm not suddenly turning into your knight in shining armor. You're just less annoying when you're not sneezing all over the place. You think I'm secretly caring? Don't flatter yourself. I just don't want to explain to anyone how I let you die out here. Honestly though, you're a pain in the ass. But you're tougher than you look. Don't let it get to your head. You're still the most infuriating person I've ever met. Don't push your luck. I can always take the blanket back. Just try not to get worse, okay? I don't have the patience to deal with a full-blown flu. Yeah, whatever. Just shut up and get some rest. Hey, don't lean too close to the fire. You'll end up burning your hair off. I don't feel like explaining that to anyone. What was that? Too tired to throw an insult back? Wow, you must be worse off than I thought. You really can't sit still, can you? Just lean back or something. Watching you wobble is exhausting. Oh, sure, you're fine. Because people who are fine totally sound like that. Figured you'd get sick. Guess even the universe wants to make my life harder. Alright, that's it. You're officially worse at hiding your misery than you're at winning arguments, which is saying something. Just lie down, okay? You're no good to anyone like this. Finally. A little peace and... Huh? Of course. Can't even rest without being a hassle. Listen, I'm not doing this for you. I just don't want to deal with a sick idiot on top of everything else. There. That's better. Now keep that blanket around your shoulders. You're a real pain, you know that? Always so stubborn. Always acting like you've got everything under control. But you're not so bad when you're like this. Quiet. Not yelling at me. Almost. Almost. Tolerable. Ugh, man. What am I saying? You'd probably laugh if you heard that. Just don't get worse, alright? 'Cause I'm not a nurse. You're really out, huh? Figures. Leave it to you to sleep like a log while I'm stuck here babysitting. How did we even end up here? Stupid storm. Some even stupider choices. And now I'm stuck with you. Of all the people in the world, it had to be you. Hey. Easy, easy. Just stay asleep, alright? You're bad enough when you're awake. Okay, great. Now I'm talking to myself. Guess that's what happens when you're stuck in the middle of nowhere with someone who drives you insane. You really look like hell. Not that you don't usually, but this is different. Why am I even saying this? You can't hear me. Not like it matters. Alright, fine. If you wake up and think I'm being nice, you're delusional. You're already sick. No point letting you freeze, too. Your hair is so soft. Oh, God, what am I saying? You're something. You know that? Annoying, stubborn, reckless, and somehow still a pain in my ass. Yeah, no kidding, it's cold. I know you're freezing. That's what happens when you don't take care of yourself. Honestly, it's like you're trying to make this harder. Just stay still, alright? I'll take care of it. Not because I want to, so don't get any ideas. What did you say? Yeah, well, don't get used to it. You're welcome. Alright, you're fine, probably. It's not like I'm checking every 5 seconds or anything. You better not be dreaming about me. Knowing you, you're probably arguing with me in your sleep too. Why did you push yourself so hard? You're not invincible, you know. Oh, Jesus. Great. Now you're making noises in your sleep too, and jumping me at the same time. What's next, huh? You're burning up. Perfect. Just when I need it. Of course you'd fall asleep just to make me deal with this. You'd better be grateful for this later. Not that I care or anything. Let me just grab some cloth and water, okay? Stay still. What a mess. You're lucky I'm even bothering with all this. What was that? That's probably just the wind, right? Yeah, just the wind. Let me grab this wood. There's nothing outside. Figures. I'm just imagining things. What was that? Oh my god. I can't get a break. Hey, if this is some trick, I'm not in the mood. You awake? Of course not. Leave it to me to deal with whatever this is. Typical. Great. If this cabinet collapses, I'm blaming you. It's probably just the wind or some stupid branch outside. You know, you've got awful timing. Getting sick and leaving me to deal with this. Whatever this is. Guess I'll stay up. Not like I care. Just making sure nothing happens. Finally waking up, huh? Took you long enough. Of course. Just my luck to get stuck babysitting. And you're back asleep. Well, I hope you like stale biscuits. 'Cause that's all we have. Don't have a 5-star menu in here. Oh, come on. You have to eat something, whether you like it or not. So don't even start with me. You think I'm wasting my food for fun? Don't worry, just sit up and eat. Fine. If you're gonna be stubborn, I'll do it for you. Open your mouth. There. Not so hard, was it? Now, swallow. Then drink, and don't complain. 'Cause it's all I got. Don't get used to it. You'll need to pull your own weight when this storm's over. Not like I care if you're comfortable or anything. Just stay alive till morning, okay? The storm better let up soon. Not sticking around longer than I have to. I better get ready already. I don't have time for this. Just get better already. I don't have time for this. Damn it. You're still burning up. Give me that cloth next to you. What? Yeah, the cloth is from last night. Doesn't matter. Just keep still, alright? You were burning up. Figured I should do something before you ended up worse. So, don't read into it. Listen, just try to get some rest, okay? I'll figure out the rest. Thank you to my Patreons. David Benson, Verdi and Prime, and 4K.